In this Autodesk Maya tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can quickly archive your scene. That way it keeps all the textures and any reference files together. This scene is very simple. It's just a table, but it does have a custom shader that's applied and has many different normal maps and textures that I made in Substance Painter that I want to have archived with this table in case I want to import it to a different scene or use it in another project. If you just save the Maya binary or the Maya ASCII file, it won't have the textures or other information. To do it is very simple. You just go to File, Archive Scene. You can select this button, and then you have different options. So you can include external files of unloaded references. Usually you don't need to do this. You can just select Archive and Close. So you can also save the scene if you want. And then now this is inside your Scene folder. So now if I go to my Project folder right here, you can see my Scenes folder. If I go inside my Scenes folder, here we have table.mb.zip. If I unzip this, it'll have an archive of all my scenes, my objects, and my textures. So hopefully this allows you to quickly make archives of your scenes in Maya for reuse and import into other projects and scenes. Happy 3D modeling!